Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, we will be doing a recap of some of the projects that we worked on in 2020. This video will be different to what we usually put out each week on YouTube. I will talk briefly about each project so that you have a fair idea as to what each of these projects entail. As always, if you find this video to be interesting, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one. If you also have any comments and suggestions, you can leave them in the comment section below and we'll do our best to respond to them. Our first project should not be new to you if you have been following this channel. This is a 4-bedroom townhouse located in East Legon. This house comes with a study, a second reception area, and a carport amongst many others. This house was built on wetland, and as of the recording of this video, finishing works have begun. Project number 2 is our East Legon Hills development project. This is a twin 4-bedroom townhouse project located in East Legon Hills. This project was started in February 2020 and is scheduled to be completed by the second quarter of 2021. We are currently casting the columns for the first floor, after which block work will follow. Project number 3 is a CB Workshop construction project. This is a production center located in Polygonal. This production center will have a large open space on the ground floor and a few production and administrative offices at the top. As of the day of recording this video, we had just finished casting the roof beams. Project number 4 is the McCarthy Hill renovation project. This is a 5-bedroom house located in McCarthy Hill. This house has 2 master bedrooms, a second reception area, a garage, and a terrace. This project is currently at the finishing stage, with tiling ongoing as of the day of recording this video. This project is scheduled for completion by December of 2020. Project number 5 is a Spintex redevelopment project. This is a simple 3-bedroom bungalow located in Spintex. This house comes with a living dining area, kitchen, and a garage. This project is currently at the finishing stage. Ceilings, tilings, and electrical works have all been done. All that is left is the installation of our kitchens, reconstruction of the fence wall, and a few minor works. This project is scheduled for completion by January of 2021. Project number 6 is the renovation works at Trasacco Valley. For this project, our main focus was fixing the leak in the roof. Repair works have been completed and the client has since not complained about any leakages, especially during heavy rains. Project number 7 is not a building, development, repair, or renovation work. It's just land that we are selling in Oyibi. The land is located less than 5 minutes drive from Valley View University. This land has been demarcated as a gated community. There is a master plan for the area, which makes provision for good access roads, electricity, water, 24/7 security, and recreational areas amongst others. The land is duly titled and litigation free. These are just a few of the projects that we have been working on so far in 2020. Even though the pandemic slowed us down, it did not stop us. With that, we bring today's video to an end. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and kindly subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers.